Hello guys, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So this is for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Take only what resonates. Bale, this is general love reading. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Kung makaka-relate ka, pwedeng hindi 100%. Ayun, and so hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang sa ating channel. Okay, again, this is for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Let's start your reading. Bale, itong black, gagamitin ko itong black na tarot deck for your side. And then, mamaya, para sa side ng person mo is the pink one. Okay? Take only what resonates. Love reading for water sign. You do have here seduction. Okay, wait lang. Healing heart and heart with the key. Okay. Ngayon, kukunin ko naman yung sa side ng person mo. You do have your Cupid's arrow, hand of cards, self-indulgence, and you do have here passion. Guys, hindi ko alam kung makaka-relate ka ha. Hindi ako, hindi ko sasabihin talaga na hindi ko ipipilit. Or, syempre, huwag mo rin ipilit na para sa'yo yung reading kung hindi ka nakaka-relate. Water sign. For water sign is Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay, getting to know each other. Okay. Codependency and flirt. Honestly, I see this as maybe a new person or maybe a new person or someone na magte-take ng risk sa'yo. And there could be other people na involved sa connection ninyo. Nakikita ko yun sa side mo. You do have your seduction and you can be in another relationship. And currently, you're healing dahil pwedeng itong relationship na to is having separation. So, pwedeng I don't know if it's your fault, kung kasalanan mo, or may nagfa-flirt sa'yo, which is maybe this, you do have your flirt, so this could be the person na nagfa-flirt sa'yo, or maybe you're getting to know each other. Maybe you are friends or nagdi-deepen yung bonds ninyo sa isa't isa. And then, you are currently focusing on freedom sa mga toxic na tao sa buhay mo. So, if you are currently in a relationship, maybe nakita mo yung relationship ninyo na hindi nag-work out, and that's why you are opening your heart, opening yourself towards new people in your life, towards new beginnings. And, pwedeng, you do have your not today, so pwedeng may pag-iwas or you want to have a separation, or maybe yung iba, kung may separation na maybe you're avoiding this karmic relationship. So, kung sino man yung in-end mo or ini-end mo na relasyon dito or nag-end na yung iba, maybe it's a karmic relationship. And alam mo yon. Kasi hindi naman mag-i-end dyan or hindi mo naman ipipilit yung ending dyan kung hindi mo nakikita yung karmic or yung hindi magandang connection ninyong dalawa. And now, may namumuo tayong bagong attraction, bagong connection, maybe with a friend, you do have let your friends help you. And I feel like this person is coming. No, magte-take ng risk itong person na ito eh. Ano lang siya, parang working on his or herself, doing shadow work. Okay? And pag sinabi natin shadow work, maybe meron siyang mga nilalabanan sa sarili niya, like maybe yung past niya. Okay? He or she is trying to accept that past. And maybe nagfo-focus siya sa kanyang sarili. Diba? Na para itong sarili na ito ay gusto niya maging how would I say this? Sabihin na natin, best version ng sarili niya. Na yung mga nakaraan niya, alam niyang hindi na niya yun kayang burahin. Ang ginagawa niya ngayon is i-accept kung ano man itong mga nakaraan na to, and sabihin or aminin sa sarili niya na yung mga nakaraan na yun is parte na kung ano siya ngayon. Now, she or he is now a better person, okay? And, yun yung ginagawa na itong person na ito ngayon. You do have your passion, and I feel like there's a lot of love sa inyong dalawa. If ever not this is a past person, kasi nakita tayo ng separation dito, so this could be a person in the past, pwede nagkaroon na ng separation sa inyo. This person is unsure of the future or unsure of the emotion na nararamdaman mo para sa kanya, but I can see na nandun yung pagmamahal niya para sa'yo. Okay? And the butterfly is here. So, this person is continuing his or her journey towards growth. Okay? Gusto niya mag-grow, and at the same time, I feel like katulad ng isang butterfly, gusto niya lang mag-shine. Gusto niya lang lumipad. Not necessarily lumipad, but what do I mean by this? Parang dito ako masaya, sige gagawin ko lang to. Parang ganun. And this is my purpose, katulad ng butterfly, hindi naman yun basta insekto. There's a purpose. And katulad ng purpose ng butterfly, it feels like your person. Kung ano man yung purpose niya, ginagawa niya lang yun. Okay? Sa mundo. And there's a lot of love towards this person. You do have your seduction. So, I don't know din, pwedeng may other people na involved din sa side ng person na ito, but tinatry niyang i-work out ito. I-work out in a way na pwedeng ayusin or what. Anyway, guys, if ever you are still in a relationship, no? If ever ikaw ay nasa isang relasyon, I can see you having separation in the future. Tinry mong iwasan na hindi magalit, na huwag siyang pakinggan, etc. Napakalmahin, etc. But the karmic relationship and the phoenix, may gigising at gigising sa'yo eh. Para tapusin or alisan itong taong to. And you do have your soulmate in order for you to meet your soulmate, the one for you. And maybe, hindi ito yung person na yun kung may kakonek ka ngayon. Okay, so let's move on and focus on your emotions sa isa't isa. Tell me about this for water sign, please, for water sign. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of water sign. Emotions, need water signs, spirit guides, angel guides, emotions for water sign. You do have your mask and talking. The runner, okay. Heartbroken. And you do have your not today, healthy choices. Ayan. Wait lang guys. Punta tayo dito sa side ng person na ito, sa kabila. Anong emosyon naman itong taong ito patungkol sa'yo? Sa connection na ito. more card. Why are you doing this, guys? Okay, okay, okay. Okay. You do have your healthy choices. Seduction. You really, some of you, you could be dealing with the twin flame. Nagmi-mirror yung mga cards ninyo sa isa't isa. Hammer is here. Okay, so, and the runner. So, as you can see, pareho kayong may runner dito sa part na ito. The runner and the runner. And then, yung seduction is also here. So, I feel like itong connection na ito is may third party talaga na involved. Like, you cannot deny that. There's other woman or man in the connection. And then, there's this healthy choices. Okay? And then, at the bottom of the deck is the heartbroken. Ngayon, ano ang mutual energy dito? Release your ex. I don't know if you're dealing with the Virgo. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, Virgo ba yun or Libra? But anyway, kasi kanina nag-reading ako ng dalawang zodiac sign na yun. And halos almost the same yung energy. So, I don't know if you're dealing with, or coincident lang. But maybe meron kang, or maybe you do have Virgo or Libra in your chart. Okay, kasi pwede rin yun eh. Check mo yung natal chart mo. You do have your trust. So, sa ngayon kasi may mga bagay kayong inire-release. Okay? Or inaalisan. Or dapat alisan. No? And, I feel like, of course, if it has something to do with third party, third person, karmic relationship, pwedeng yun. Pwedeng yun. And you do have your knot today. The way I see this, pwedeng, lalo na kung yung connection mo dito sa person to is itinatago. Like, you have to hide this person. Yung mga chat niya, mga tawag niya, etc. Yung communication sa inyo. Lalo na kung ganun, I mean, hindi ka naman magmamahal dito sa person na ito kung talagang mahal mo yung person na kakonect mo ngayon eh. If ever you are in a relationship, still in a relationship. Diba? Kung talagang mahal mo yan, hindi ka makikipag-connect dito. Huwag mo hanapan ng lusot na sasabihin mo, kaibigan, etc. Hindi. If you really do love the person you are with right now, hindi mo to gagawin. Diba? Simulan pa lang or isipin pa lang na gagawin ito, hindi mo maiisip yon because you do love the person eh. Now, if you're doing this, na may connection kayo nitong taong ito, it's time for you to release whatever you need to release right now. Kasi you do have your trust. Magtiwala ka lang. You do have your true love. Maybe this is true love that is about to come to you very soon. No? Very soon, may paparating sa yung true love. And maybe this is the person that you're looking for. Or maybe this is the one for you. Maybe even your soulmate. Maybe ito yung soulmate mo. Kailangan mo lang gumawa ng mga healthy choices sa buhay mo. Okay? In order for you na ma-achieve itong engagement ring, which is union with the one, with the soulmate, with the one for you. Okay? Ngayon, nakikita natin nasasaktan ka. Nasasaktan ka kasi kailangan mo umiwas eh. Why? Because, you know, lalo na kung ikaw nga ay nasa relasyon pa, kailangan ba talaga umiwas? Kasi bakit? Kailangan mong i-sugarcoat or anuhin itong ano na ito eh, person na ito eh, parang kailangan mo siya itago, kailangan kang umiwas sa kanya, kuno, pag nandyan si third person mo, yung other person na kakonect mo, masakit para sa yung umiiwas ka, pero ayaw mo rin kasi makasakit. So, I'm feeling like you are hiding something here. You are hiding your emotions. Pwedeng sa person na ito. Pwedeng sa person na kakonect mo. At pwedeng sa sarili mo. Tinatago mo itong totoong emosyon mo eh. Diba? Itong person na ito, the way I see this person is heartbroken as well. with a heartbroken, might be sa mga ending na nangyayari ngayon sa buhay niya. Meron tayong ending na nakikita dyan sa buhay niya ngayon. And tinatry niyang i-work out ang sarili niya, ang kanyang ego. Okay? And regarding the third person, maybe tinatry niya rin ayusin in a way, pero mas nauuna sa kanya yung gusto niya maging masaya, gusto kong maybe yun nga, pwedeng pareho kayong may mga nire-release or inaalisan na mga koneksyon or dapat alisan na koneksyon sa buhay ninyo. Okay? So, ano yung, I want to know the mask. Kasi you are hiding something. You are not being truthful to yourself to this connection at sa person nakakonect mo at sa person nakakonect mo pang isa. I mean, I can see dealing with two people. What's with the girl to? Yeah, I told you, you could be dealing with the twin flame. You could be dealing with the twin flame. So, might be, yung itinatago mo sa kanya, especially you do have your photographs, I don't know if you do have pictures together, yan, kung may picture kayo pareho. Or, maybe you are always looking at this person's photo, or mayroon ka itinatagong picture niya. Anyway, maybe, yun nga, pwedeng ay tinatago mo dito is yung conversation, or the picture, and you do have your self-indulgence, and, this is your person, so self-indulgence, so pwedeng itinatago mo siya, because that is the mask. So, maybe this is emotions na itinatago, and also at the same time, yung mismong person itinatago dito. And it could be dealing with your twin flame. Okay, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? What will happen here? Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of water sign. For the sign of water sign. Please do like and subscribe, guys. And pa-comment sa baba kung talaga nakaka-relate ka. Ma-appreciate ko yung mga emoticons, heart, smileys, or kahit yung mga iyak-iyak na emoticon, because I can feel the energy of kalungkutan din dito sa connection na ito. Of course, lalo na kung twin flame, hindi talaga madaling connection yan. What will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? You do have your keys on a ring. Okay. Love call. Not today. Diba ilang beses yung nagpapakita itong not today, ano? You do have your boat. Clarify the not today and boat. Hammer. One more card. Engagement ring. Okay, gusto talagang pakita noon. The snake is at the bottom of the deck. Okay. What will happen in the near future for the both of you? What will happen in the near future for the both of you? You do have your abundance, golden mirror, and keys on a ring. Para ano naman yan, may card ka rin dito na ganyan. And I want to get more cards to clarify. Girl with a snake. Okay. And one more card. Lightning. You do have your love call at the bottom of the deck. Lightning is here. Oh, meron pa pala dito. The Phoenix. Okay. Mutual energy. Mutual energy sa inyong dalawa ng person mo. In the future, you do have your heart-to-heart conversation. And, wait lang. Isa na lang. Clarify the heart-to-heart conversation, please. Okay. You do have here romantic feelings and honeymoon and new love. Okay, like what I've told you. Keys on a ring. I'm feeling like ito yung other options. Okay? Keys on a ring. This is this person nakakonect mo. And maybe ikaw rin yung keys on a ring, which is yung other option sa buhay niya. Maybe both of you are both in different relationships, or magkakaibang relasyon na meron sa inyo ngayon. May karelasyon ka, may karelasyon siya. Ngayon, um, I'm feeling like in the future, there's this connection or communication sa inyong dalawa. Maybe regarding money, abundance is yours, or I can say money-related connection or what. A lot of communication, guys. You do have your love call. Dalawang beses nagpakita sa atin yan. Kasi you cannot deny, both of you guys, hindi nyo madedeny yung emotion sa isa't isa. The heart-to-heart conversation, this is communication sa inyo ng person nito. And you cannot deny the connection sa inyong dalawa. Parang may dadating at dadating yung point na magtatawagan pa rin talaga kayo because you need each other or you want each other. Technically, no? And you do have your kisses. Both of you are pareho yung pagtingin sa isa't isa with the mirror. And pareho yung, marami kayong similarities, marami kayong pagkakapareho nitong taong to. Maybe you tried to deny that. Tinry mo i-deny. And again, the twin flame is here. And nandito yung mask. So, this is showing to me a same faces. So, pwede may similarities sa mukha ninyo. Or something sa inyo. Maybe may placement ng nunal. Na pareho yung nunal ninyo, etc. That the twin flame is here. So, you could be dealing with your twin flame. Anyway. May narinig akong nag-chat or nagtumawag. I don't know. If that is you, may naramdaman akong parang nag-vibrate. So, anyway. Walang ibang phone dito sa aking pwesto or sa lugar kung saan ako nagre-reading. The only phone here is the one recording the video. Ngayon, in the future, nakakita tayo ng there's this not today. And this is showing to me as the person, you do have here the snake. At as you can see, dito sa picture, para siyang lalaki na tinatakpan yung tenga and then may hawak siyang telepono. There's someone here na iiwasan mo in the future kasi ayaw mo yung mga sinasabi niya, ayaw mo yung mga maririnig mo sa kanya. Kahit ngayon, pwedeng nangyayari na yun. And what you want to hear is kung ano yung sasabihin nitong person na to. Maybe you are the person na parang, okay, sige, na-attract ka sa sinasabi niya or sa conversation dito sa taong ito kasi siya naiintindihan ka niya, nagkakaintindihan kayo. And then there's the snake na parang blah 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 blah. And hanggang to the point na ayaw mo na lang marinig. Pero wala kang choice kundi pakinggan. Because this person is beside you or is there with you. Diba? And the way I see this, maybe this is the person na karelasyon mo. Nakakonect mo ngayon. And in the future, there's this feeling na, ano mang ayos ang gawin mo dyan with the hammer? Guys, ano mang ayos? May lamat may problem na kayo, may nararamdaman na siya, may pagsiselos na. Hindi mo na mawawala yun eh. 'Di ba? Once na nag-start na yung pagsiselos, kahit, to tell you guys, honestly, kahit ilang taon ang dumating, pag once na wala na yung tiwala sa ng tao, mahirap na ibalik yun. May balik man, may lamat na. Nandun at nandun pa rin. So, maybe there's a reason for this person na kakausapin ka ng ganyan kasi talagang kahit hindi mo ginawa, para sa kanya ginawa mo kasi masakit yung jealousy, yung ego ng person nito is mataas. Hindi ko sinasabing tama ka, hindi ko sinasabing mali itong connection na ito or what, but you know in your heart kung anong dapat mong gawin. Alam mo yung dapat mong gawin. You do have your both. I can see closure issues. So maybe there's an issues na kailangan i-close or dapat i-close. Or maybe someone here needs to, totally end something. Alam mo yan, kung saan doon. Okay, either, I will tell you the truth, hindi ko naman sinabing itong person na to. Or yung person mo ngayon. Dalawa lang yan eh. If you are currently in a relationship, tapos hindi na healthy yung relationship, yung communication ninyo, maybe you have to end the relationship doon sa taong iyon. 'Di ba? And then wag ka makipag-connect muna dito. Kumaga, i-end mo muna, bigyan mo muna ng closure yung connection ninyong dalawa. Kasi ang pangit naman, di ba? Tinatago mo to eh. Ang pangit ang dating, lalo na kung nasa relasyon ka. Anong lalabas dyan? Third party to? Or ano to? Kerida? Kabit? Parang ganun. Babae man or lalaki, I don't know kasi kung kerida or ano ba yung lalaking term noon. Anyway, di ba? Or, be more open sa taong ito and then tapusin mo yung relasyon mo dun sa isa na kasi hindi na healthy, kasi toxic na. Dalawa lang yung pipiliin mo. Sino pipiliin mo? Itong taong to o yung isa? Diba? Hindi pwedeng pareho eh. You have to choose one. Yun ang nakikita natin dyan. Kasi nakikita natin with the addiction, you are trapped. You are controlling something. Pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo. May situation sa'yo na hindi ka makaalis. So, ngayon, it's like this girl. Imagine this girl. Nakaano siya, nakakandado siya, nakatali. And this is you. Tapos the person that you are dealing with right now might be the snake. Sabihin na natin, ito yung ahas. Sabihin na natin na nandyan yung ahas na yan habang ikaw ay nakatali. No? Ikaw lang ang makakagawa ng paraan na makaalis dyan sa ahas na yan. Kung magpapatali ka pa rin, nandyan pa rin naman yung ahas, paikot-ikot, toxic, with the venom, and then, wala ka namang ibang pupuntahan. So, you will live or mabubuhay ka sa katoksikan. And you don't want that because you want to be happy. I know that with the paradise. And honestly, sa nakikita ko dito, but of course, this is your choice. This is your life. This is just the future na pinapakita natin sa'yo para maliwanagan ka, no? Kasi I'm here as a guide. Gina-guide lang kita para alam mo yung choice na dapat mong gawin sa buhay mo. Okay? And then, the nakikita natin na something na makakapagpasaya sa'yo is the acts. This is separation. This is breakup. This is stopping the pattern. Kasi paulit-ulit na eh. Toxic na nga. And, ang makakapagpasaya lang sa'yo is kung matatapos na yung katoksikan, matatapos na yung pattern, paulit-ulit. Diba? You need to focus on maybe your twin flame, maybe yourself with a mirror. And, yeah, may mga malaking pagbabago para sa'yo with the lightning. Pag babaguhin mo kung ano yung sitwasyon mo. Or, kung ang pipiliin mo is the person that you are with right now, dahil ito yung mas okay, ganito, ganyan. And then, sabihin na natin, ito, tukso lang to, ganito, ganyan. And i-end mo yung itong person na ito. Diba? Kasi dalawa choices mo eh. Ang i-end mo yun dito, and then you have to commit to the person na napili mo. And then, you do have your heart-to-heart conversation. This is communication in the future for you, and you have your new love. So definitely, yung new love na tinutukoy natin, whoever this person na pipiliin mo, that would be a new love. Paano ko nasabi? Halimbawa, ikaw ay nasa isang relationship ngayon. Halimbawa, itong relationship na to ang pinili mo at hindi itong bago. Masasabi pa rin natin new love yun kung tatapusin mo yung connection mo dito. Bakit? Kailangan nyo mag-start all over again eh. Kailangan i-heal yung mga wounds, yung mga sugat na ibinigay mo sa kanya, na naibigay niya sa'yo. Kailangan buhusan ng pagmamahal at bagong atensyon itong relasyon na ito. Diba? So, kanino ka dapat or sino dapat ang pipiliin mo? Ikaw ang nakakaalam niyan. Honeymoon is here. With regards naman dito sa side ng person mo, I can see money. Definitely, abundance for your person. And I'm so happy kasi with the golden mirror, wini-work out niya yung sarili niya. Actually, hindi naman nakakonsentrate tong person na to sa'yo eh. To tell you the truth, hindi siya sa'yo nakakonsentrate. Hindi siya sa'yo nakafocus. Okay? If this is a twin flame connection, normal yon, no? Kasi dapat talaga nagfo-focus siya sa sarili niya. The Phoenix is here. So, transformation in the future pagdating sa sarili niya at transformation sa everything about this person. Physically, mag-glow up tong person na nakikita natin yan. And with regard sa kanyang girl with the snake, which is the boundaries, no? Boundaries na na nakikita natin. Can you see the girl and the snake? Kung maalala mo kanina, in-example ko sa yung isang babae at saka yung snake, diba? Medyo iba ang approach nito. Kasi itong side ng person mo, pwedeng yung relationship in the future sa kanya at ng person niya magiging healthy. Paano ko nasabi? There's friendship na mabubuo. At hindi niya akalain na possible pala yun. Na yung person, or maybe yung ex mo, sabihin na natin ex, kasi natin si separation din eh. Yung ex niya, magiging kaibigan niya. In a healthy way. Maybe lalo na yung mga mature relationship or connection na dyan. May mga children na involved. So, ito parang magkaibigan pa rin sila ni ex. Pero it doesn't matter. It doesn't mean na meron pa rin sa kanila. But, there's friendship and healthy boundaries, connection sa kanila. And might be dahil doon sa mga ibang taong involved. And I can see this as a healthy connection. Girl with the snake. Although, ang mga nakalagay dito is empath, narcissist, paradigm, being charmed or used, enable, boundaries. So, yeah. Keys on a ring. There's a decision to make. May mga decision siya kailangan gawin. And may kinalaman yun sa transformation niya sa sarili niya. And I really do like this energy. Sa totoo lang, kaysa sa side mo. Kasi yung side mo masyado magulo. Yung energy dito is like, you need to face your own fears. You need to, understand what you really do like sa buhay mo. Ano ba talagang gusto mo sa buhay mo. And then you decide. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.